Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view your favorites list in the Trendyol app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the favorites menu, the button in the middle. And here we should have the list of the favorite items that we have saved inside the app. And then if you swipe to the right, we have collections as well, which we can create inside the app. We can create a list here, and we can add our favorites here, and then we can add items from the favorites list to the one of these collections. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.